So this little pile of fun on four wheels is my Willys Jeep replica, also known as a mini Beep. Now, before I show you just how I made this Jeep and what's involved in making it, let's take it for a little spin and see how it goes. Okay, so if you own a Willys Jeep, if you're lucky enough to, a real World War II one, not only am I envious, but also you'll know that this isn't much of a replica of a Willys, of a real Willys Jeep. But what this is a build it yourself a vehicle that is off road and is a fun project to build and then to drive. So to build this, it's designed by a company called Struck Corp in the USA, and they used to sell these as a kit a few years back, but now they don't. They stopped selling them as a kit some time ago. So what they do sell though is the plans. So you purchase the plans from Struck Corp, which is about $50 US, and then you buy all your timber, your plyboard, and you transfer the plans onto that and build it all as you've just seen in the video of the assembly of the body. Now the plans don't cover the mechanical side of it because that used to come in the kit. So the mechanical side of it, you have to work out yourself. And there's a few people on the net that have done different things with mini beeps, with creating their own mechanical drives. I've tried to keep mine as original as possible to how Struck Corp did it. Although mine does have a CVT transmission, which allows mine to reach speeds of around 30 miles per hour. The little Jeep is amphibious, so it'll float like a boat if you take it in water. Apparently the drive from the wheels will move it very slightly, but it really needs an electric outboard motor to move it. And there is some preparation you have to do before you take it in the water, which I will show in a later video, not in this one. I've added a few accessories like the shovel and the axe, you know, just to make it a bit more authentic. Some of the items on the Jeep are from real Jeeps, are reproduction parts of the mirror, the blackout lamp. A lot of the things like the ND bonnet clamps, things like that are all reproductions of genuine Willys stuff. This vehicle is 80% the scale size of a real Willys Jeep. I've had 3 guys in here my size, and one over the back in there, and myself and one in the front with me, and this still gets along fine. Has a little 7 horsepower engine, and the engine surprisingly is up here at the back, other than under the hood, and that is just for easier drive to the back axle, and also to keep it high and dry when the Jeep's in the water. Have light truck tyres, little jerry can. Now the plans don't cover the canvas top or anything. That's all I've built. Created a lock-in hub for this wheel, because otherwise it's a live rear axle, and you can see here I have a pin which locks this hub in if you're off-road. And the off-road capabilities of this little thing is actually really surprising. It'll go pretty much anywhere. I'm going to leave this video here for now. If you want to see what's under the hood, so to speak, and how I've worked out the mechanics in my mini Beep, please subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos on this, which will be coming soon. Also, I haven't had this in the water yet, so I do want to get it in the water, and so we might be going on some adventures, take it on some trips into the forest, and maybe see if we can find a waterway to try it out. So stay tuned for those. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.